In a world of digital technology, it's easy to forget one sobering fact, that our identity can be stolen from under our nose with one click of a mouse, propelling us into nightmares in just a matter of minutes, anytime, anywhere, and on any one of our darling gadgets. Hackers, malware, botnets, and all forms of digital threats are even more sophisticated nowadays, just waiting in the shadows for that one opportunity to steal your sensitive information. You probably clicked on something that you weren't supposed to yesterday, or maybe you become a victim of a scam recently. In fact, Symantec calculated that 14 adults become a victim of a cyber attack every second. That's more than 1 million attacks a day. Your life can be in a completely different place just by how you protect yourself online against cyber criminals.
Every day we're surrounded by them and use them. Cameras on our devices and set up for security, but not all are safe from other people.
Computer hackers have caused headaches and caused untold losses for countless companies, individuals, even governments.
He's got lots of tips for how to protect ourselves. Ethical hacker or cybersecurity expert Terry Cutler is here today.
One of my roles as a government-cleared ethical hacker, or cybersecurity expert if you will, is to help educate and promote great digital hygiene and internet safety awareness training to the general public in layman's terms. And this is being done through my online videos, numerous television appearances, live public speaking events, extensive coaching products, and top-level consulting services. In my masterclass, I'm going to give you all the strategies and tactics that I developed as one of the top cybersecurity experts in the world. You're going to learn everything from how cyber criminals are preying on you, stalking you, spying on you, frauding you, hacking you, and what you can do to prevent them from making you their next victim. You'll also have an understanding of how and why hackers are getting in and staying undetected for months and years, and how to create a powerful protective layer that will take online hijackers centuries to break. And by the end of this course, you'll be more proactive, informed, and knowledgeable in maximizing your online security to the next level. I mean, you're going to know stuff that 95% of the population doesn't even know about. And sometimes people say to me, I'm too small to get hacked, I'm just an individual, who's going to want to hack me? That's just not the case, okay? Cyber criminals know that you don't have the time, budget, or know-how to prevent a data breach or becoming a victim of their next scam. That's why there's been over 445 million cyber attacks against remote workers just since January. Why does it matter to you that you should get better at cybersecurity and internet safety? Because however your life is now, you can do better. I'm Terry Cutler, and this is my Internet Safety University.